We're here at Sunset Beach, condominiums, I'm assuming, here in Holmes Beach, Florida. Check out what we have here. Oh gosh. What the heck is this? This is like a LULA. Oh, Florida elevator. We have PTL. Oh, here we go. It is a LULA. It's got on one. One. There we go. That's annoying. Gosh, this thing is like stupid LULA. And why do you have to ring the chime every time it passes the floor? £1,400 capacity. Oh, this thing is. That thing is annoying. This is near just a tiny elevator for this building. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.